Have you been suspended on eBay? Well, if you have, I now have the solution for you. Go to stealthstore.co. We are creating eBay stealth accounts for people, any country. Everything is done for you. The dedicated IP and phone number is all included for the first month. Go check it out. Link in description. Hey guys, what's going on? It is Louis here, and today's video is going to be the ultimate solution for suspended sellers. So obviously we're going to be talking about eBay stealth here. So are you tired of being banned on eBay? Do you wish you could start fresh and just have a clean slate on the platform? So obviously the solution for this is having an eBay stealth account. But you may be asking, why is it so important to have an eBay stealth account? So first of all, let's just talk about why you might even be suspended on eBay. For a new person, it might be like, how am I going to get banned on eBay? All I'm doing is selling something. Well, my friend, it's very, very easy to get banned on eBay. Your time just has not come yet. The obvious one is you could have violated eBay's policies, you know. It's actually quite easy to do, even though some of their policies say, oh, you can dropship, but then you get banned for dropshipping, you know. So it's they don't even go by their own policies sometimes, you know. What I say is eBay is a corporate gang, because I have friends that have had money just taken from eBay, even if it's in the actual details, siding with buyers when they definitely shouldn't have, you know, stuff like that. They have the full control because they writ the policy, and there's no competitor to eBay. They basically have a monopoly on the market. That's something to remember. It means they can do basically what they want. So another obvious one is you might have got too many negative feedbacks. Whatever the reason is, getting banned on eBay is a major, major, major inconvenience, especially if it's your job. Like me, for example, you know, you're an eBay dropshipper and you get banned, you know, you're screwed. You've got no income. You've got literally no source of income.
You're fired.
So it's actually a very, very worrying thing for some people. So that's obviously where a stealth account comes in handy. So a stealth account is a brand new eBay. And that eBay account is on a new device, new IP, has a new address, new name, new everything, new bank account. Everything is new.
Whatever your real name is.
It is my real name.
It's not. Can I?
It is.
We're friends now.
It's my name. I don't know what to tell you.
Obviously, it's a lot harder than that I just made it sound, because it gets quite technical at points. There's lots of things you need to do. It's not just that. So it can get quite complicated. Even when you have made the stealth account, there's then so many other things you've got to do with that stealth account to then not get suspended. So it can get very complicated very quickly. You know, some people think, okay, I just got to create an account, do new details, and then start selling. No, that's not the case. You'll still get suspended. It doesn't matter. Even if it links to nothing, you'll still get suspended. They are so strict these days. It is unreal. You know, I've made videos in the past about that, so that can be useful to you. So once again, it's new details that are not the same as your original account that's been banned. That's not the only reason to have an eBay stealth account. Another reason is to protect your identity. You know, it can keep your personal information safe if you don't want to give it out there, you know, because buyers can get it through returns. If you don't have a business address or a PO box, they return it to your address. So some people don't like that. So they use different information and they deal with returns, you know, whether that's a friend's address, whatever it is, it helps a lot of people. You can reduce the risk of fraud and identity theft on yourself, you know. That's another major, major reason, but that's not the main reason people do it. It's obviously to get around eBay's rules and when you get suspended and things like that. So now I know what you're probably thinking. Isn't it against eBay's rules to create an eBay stealth account? Technically, yes, but come on, let's be real here. Who really cares? You know, you got suspended, probably wrongfully. I always get suspended wrongfully, so if they're going to do me wrong, I'll do you wrong by creating eBay stealth. It's not illegal, it's just against their terms of service. You've already been banned, what are they going to do? Ban you again? So, you know, it really doesn't matter. People like myself have been creating eBay stealth accounts for years. I've been mastering it for the last 5 years, almost 5 years now. It's not something eBay can prevent or track either, you know, it's something they really can't track or prevent. So they're never going to be able to stop it, meaning you'll never actually be permanently banned. You're only permanently banned if you accept you're permanently banned. What I mean by that is you get banned, you get the email saying you've been indefinitely suspended, and you just say, okay, boom, that's it. Rather than getting a stealth account or figuring out how to make one yourself. There's so many ways. You know, as long as you're not violating their policies, there's no harm in giving yourself a second chance. So if you're tired of being held back by your old eBay account, like so many people are, including myself, or you just want to play it safe and protect your own identity, then creating a stealth account is definitely worth it. So if you've enjoyed this video, or you take anything away from it, please hit that like button and that subscribe button, and happy selling.